Woody Wonder. Let me hold this picture.
Woodies.
Oh. Greg, Dad, hold her up.
Dad.
Whoa.
Butterflies and
Oh,
butterflies and birds.
Look at your butterfly.
Butterflies and birds.
Oh my goodness, it's a awesome.
Incidentally.
That's the Baltimore Oriole.
A butterfly.
Oh, that is so beautiful, Sierra.
A butterflies and birds.
Oh.
I like butterflies and birds in my room.
You do?
Yeah.
Well, you're in luck. You have butterflies and birds in your room.
And on the wall, you have all sorts of pretty things. I like them, Sierra. Boy, did Dad and Mom do a good job of hanging birds in your room, huh?
Gramps.
Gramps.
Or
Look at that. Now you can get on your bed and watch them, huh?
Climb on up, see what it looks like from your bed, honey. Oh, you need to move your
Yeah.
stool.
Let me help you move it, okay? Watch your fingers. There we go. Which way, Brenda? Did you say this way?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. Climb up and take a...
Start for the cereal bowl.
Oh, here, I'll move it for you, Sierra. Okay, now climb up. That's good placement.
Come up into your bed, hon, so you can look at your birds.
You can look at them while you're in your bed.
Look at all those birds and butterflies.
You like them,
Look at
huh?
all
Show
those
him.
birds. Look at all those.
Come on up.
Look at all those. Look at all those stuff I have. Look at all those.
Can you lay down like you're going to go to sleep? See if you can see all the birdies while you're sleeping. See all the birdies? What do you think?
Good. A bird and butterflies.
This is the bird and butterfly room, huh?
Yeah.